Today we'll show you how consigned items work inside the system. We'll start by registering a new consignment and adding items from the consigned page, and then we'll see how to do it during bundle creation. Go to the main menu and click New Consigned. Or if you're on the List of Consigned page, click New in the top right corner. Here, fill in the required information, select the supplier, enter a consigned number. Add the arrival date for the items. If needed, you can also include a note. Then click Save. You'll see all the information you entered. On the side, you can view the total consigned and remaining amount, and this section is where you add the consigned items. Simply click the blank field and type to search. Remember, the items must belong to the same supplier. I'll add 4 slabs of Venetino and enter the purchase cost for each one. The amount is calculated automatically based on the purchase cost multiplied by the quantity in square feet or square meters. As you can see, the total consigned and remaining values are automatically updated after adding the purchase cost for all 4 slabs. Now, let's say you want to purchase 2 of these slabs. How do you do that? Click Create Bill. Select the 2 slabs you want to purchase. In number, you can adjust the bill number if you wish, then click Save. Done. Now we have 2 slabs consigned and 2 slabs purchased. On the right side, the blue icon allows you to view the modification history. If you want to access the bundle where these slabs are located, click the blue information icon on the left side of the slab. Inside the bundle, slabs linked to a bill display a blue icon that takes you to the bill. On the bill page, you'll see the 2 slabs that we've linked to this bill. And here it shows that these slabs were part of a consignment. In Consigned page, on the right side, you can see the total consigned amount, which includes all the 4 slabs. Below that, you'll see the remaining value, representing the 2 slabs that are still consigned. Here, you can also view the details of the 2 slabs that were registered in a bill. Here, you'll find the logs where all records made on this consigned are stored. You can download them as an Excel file by clicking Logs Report. Going back to the Consigned page, you can also return items to the supplier. Go to the Returned tab and, under Return Info, click the blue Add icon on the right side of the screen. Enter a name for identification, add a description, select the consigned slab you want to return, and then click Save. Here's the record of the returned slab. If you go back to the information page, the returned slab will be identified with this arrow icon. And if you go to the bundle, it will no longer be listed here. As you can see, the returned slab VS02 no longer appears in the bundle list. Now, let's add a consignment through a bundle. After registering the bundle information, go to List of Slabs to add your slabs. Fill in all the slab details for this bundle. Here, you'll see 2 important fields. If the bundle was purchased, you register it under a bill. If it's a consigned bundle, you enter a consigned number. It must be one or the other, not both. After linking the consigned number, click Save. In this example, I registered all 10 slabs in this bundle as consigned. Click the orange icon on the right side to access the consigned page. Here, you can continue filling in details such as the arrival date and add a note if needed. Then click Save. You can also purchase some of the slabs from this bundle and register them in a bill, just like we've demonstrated earlier. If necessary, you can delete slabs from the consignment. They will disappear from the consigned page, but if you go back to the bundle, the slabs will still be there, just no longer linked to a consignment. When consigned items are added to an order and sold, they receive the Sold tag. So if you're on the inventory page and want to filter for consigned materials that were sold, check these 2 boxes at the top and click Apply Filter. If you'd like to export a report of bundles containing consigned slabs, click Reports on the left side and export the data. From the main menu, go to Expenses, click Consigned, and then go to Report Slabs Consigned. There, you'll find a complete list of consigned materials with all details. You can filter the list using the orange icon in the top right corner. And next to it, you'll find the option to export the report. Here is the exported spreadsheet. That's it for today. If you want to see how SlabWare can help you organize and grow your stone business, visit slabware.com and start your free trial today. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. Follow the channel, turn on notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial, folks!